everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another tutorial. It's a hair tutorial inspired by a YouTuber actually. Her name is Adanna Madueke. I hope I'm pronouncing her name very well. So in this tutorial we're going to be installing hair clips that I bought from AliExpress some months ago. Before watching her tutorial, I actually installed my hair clips in a very different way, but I think hers is really better, so I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, so this is the hair clipping here, and I kind of already laid down my hair into a low ponytail, and I had to tie a scarf for it to really like stay, you know, you get what I mean. So now I hope it's fine. I'm just going to remove the scarf. Okay, it's not that bad, but it's fine. So if you want to buy this similar clipping, I'll put a link in the information box down below, so you can always go to the link and buy it. So it comes like in several lengths. I think two with 3 clip-ins. No, wait. It comes with 2 with 3 clip-ins like this, and then there's another one with like 4. I guess you guys can see. 2 with 2, and then like 2 with 1. So because the hair is really full, I don't need much of it to do my hair. Just 1 pack, it's enough because it's really full. Even after you put it, like when you just put the 3 clip-ins, you really feel like it's full on your head already. So I'm just going to start right now.